Hey guys, happy Monday. Hope you're having a great day so far. This is our problem for today that you should have tried to go ahead and do your cubes and your U-Box on. It says Mrs. Russell's kids set up a lemonade stand this weekend. They made $10.50 on Saturday and $7.75 on Sunday. They have to pay their mom back, me, $4.27 for the supplies she bought them. How much profit did they make? Okay, so we're just going to work on some of our profit questions this week and practice that and kind of spiral that in for you guys. So if I'm doing my cube strategy first to kind of help me focus in on this question, I need to first, the C stands for circle my numbers. So I'm going to circle $10.50 and $7.75. They have to pay back $4.27. So we're also working on decimals. If you notice, I've put decimals and profit into this. All right, so I've circled my numbers. Now I'm going to underline my question. How much profit did they make? So remember, you have to take your how much they made, the income, minus their expenses to figure out the actual profit. So we know we're going to be subtracting because when we have the word profit, that is subtract. Now, it says that they made $10.50 on Saturday and $7.75 on Sunday. So because we have the and right between these two, that can even be a clue for addition sometimes because we need to put them together and find out the total amount that they made. Now, right here where it says pay back, all right, when they have to pay back their mom, that's what they're subtracting. So that was another clue besides profit that we have to subtract that. So I've boxed a lot of important things there. We're using all of our numbers. We're not eliminating any of them. Now we're ready to draw our UPSC to solve. So in the U-Box, which is all we're doing today, we are going to restate our question as a statement, okay? So instead of putting how much profit did they make, we're just going to put I will find out their profit. Okay, you could have put, I will find out how much profit they made, anything like that, just so that you're telling me you're finding out their profit. That's the big thing. And don't forget to figure out profit, you take their income. So the income is going to be their Saturday and Sunday where you add that together, minus their expenses. The expenses is what the mom spent on supplies, and that will equal your profit, okay? That's your equation for that. So that'll be a little hint to help you tomorrow.